Well, the threat of COVID-19 is again impacting how leaders prepare for hurricanes. Paul Dudley now on what emergency officials say should be your first hurricane preparation.
It's been real tough.
This is what last year's record-breaking hurricane season looked like, and meteorologists are predicting another busy year this year. The threat of the Delta variant is certainly creating a challenge, but emergency officials say there is one big change from last year.
We had a record-breaking hurricane season last year, okay? We're looking at having an above-average season again this year. Both seasons are in COVID, but the difference is this year we have a vaccine.
Colin Arnold, director of the New Orleans Office of Emergency Preparedness, says if you can, your first hurricane preparation should be getting a vaccine.
It's going to offer you the greatest amount of safety and comfort while you're evacuating if we have to do that. You'll be going to different communities, potentially different states. You'll be encountering a lot of different people.
The city of New Orleans says they are again working with the state to offer non-congregate shelters like hotels and dorms. There is also a city-assisted evacuation plan to help those who can't get out on their own. But if the current surge continues to overwhelm hospitals, it will most certainly impact how doctors and nurses respond to any injuries.
Everything's on the table, Paul. Yeah, absolutely, it's a concern, but we'll have to deal with it. The main thing is that for a major storm, if that evacuation call comes, to leave town.
The time is now to finalize your evacuation plans before we face another storm. Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News.
Now, if you plan to evacuate to friends or family who stay out of town, leaders suggest having a conversation about that process and any COVID-related concerns. If you possibly need evacuation assistance due to transportation or medical reasons, contact your local emergency managers before an emergency.